Good morning, geckos. It is a terrific Tuesday today. I saw some awesome videos yesterday and pictures yesterday of our students doing great work with our tossing and catching activity along with our alphabet fitness warm-up activity. Today, the exercises are jumping rope. We have a levels rope jump, which I'll show you here in a second, along with a new warm-up that has some options for you with your favorite superheroes. So if we go to the website, we click on our Tuesday link, a new slide will pop up for your warm-up. You're going to click on the superhero warm-up, the link off to the side. This slide will show up. It says click on two of your favorite superheroes that you want to perform their workout. So we have a choice of Captain America, Batman, Harry Potter, Avengers, and Spider-Man. So when you click on those, there's going to be a video that starts playing, and you're just going to try to copy their movements. Try to do two of those, and after you're done with that, your warm-up is over. Let's go back to our slide here, and you see we have the activity level up challenge. So a note off to the side here, it says if you do not have a jump rope at home, that's okay. You can try to make one with a towel or your favorite shirt, try to roll it up and make it look like a rope and try your best to jump over it. Or if you look, we also have a section on the back of the PowerPoint where there are options for students who don't have ropes or aren't able to even make one. That's okay too, we have options for you. So if you look, our level one, we're just loading up here. We have some jumps. If you get to five jumps, you get to move on to the next level. Kindergarten through second grade, they do not have to be 5 jumps in a row, but I'd like to see 3, 4, and 5. We want to make sure we're doing 5 jumps in a row, and you can move up to the next level. The next level is our backwards jumps, then our rocker steps, and you guys can watch the videos. We've done these. These should all be reviewed from class, so we should kind of have a pretty good idea of how to do it. We're going to skip all the way down to the no rope tricks. So if you do not have a rope, and if you're not able to make a jump rope, or it's just not working right for you and you're not able to successfully perform the jumps, you can do some of the activities with the no rope tricks, which looks like most of them are still loading. Oh, here we go. Here's the first one. So if you do 20 jumps side to side, ski jumps over that rope, then you can move up to level 2. And again, if you don't have a rope to lay down, you can use a line, you can use a crack in the concrete outside. You could put a shirt down, or again an old towel or something that you're just jumping over. See if you can move from level 1 all the way to the end and conquer all of the levels. All right, so have a wonderful day. If you guys have any questions, remember you can seesaw Schoology or email. Remember to be active. It's supposed to be a beautiful day out there today.